Hello traders, hope you're doing well. In this particular video, I'm going to discuss about two important topics. First, is crypto trading legal in India or not? This is the most common question which many people have. I'll try my best to answer this question. Next, I'm going to discuss about the 7 important difference between crypto futures and option trading. We are going to compare this with Nifty and Bank Nifty future and option trading. So if you're thinking of trading in crypto, please watch this video without skipping because there's going to be a lot of useful information in this particular video. Alright. So let us start. Now, when it comes to trading in Indian market, let it be Nifty, Bank Nifty, or even if you're trading in stocks, we do not ask a question that if it is legal or not, or is it safe? Why? Because we know it comes under government guidelines. We have a body called SEBI. They look after each and everything. So any wrongful activity happens in our market, they will take care of that. But when it comes to crypto market, it doesn't come under SEBI guidelines because cryptos are traded internationally. That is why under our government regulation, we have one more body called Financial Intelligence Unit. In short, they call it FIU. So if you're trading in crypto, it is very important that you trade with a broker who is FIU registered. Now you all know I personally trade with Delta Exchange India because they are FIO registered. They come under government regulation and they have to fully comply with all the Indian rules and regulation. So to a certain extent, we can feel trading in Delta Exchange is kind of safe. That is why I have chosen this broker. Now in our channel itself, you can see if you go to the live section, 3 to 4 months regularly, I've been trading only using Delta Exchange. Before even I was worried if crypto trading is legal or not. But once I got the confidence, I did all the research. I'm okay to trade with crypto, but at the initial stage, start trading with very less quantities. Now, if you wish to learn all the basics related to crypto trading, then here you can go to my channel and you will find this video, Crypto Trading Complete Guide for Beginners. In this particular video, I have covered all the basics to advanced level concept related to crypto trading, how to trade in crypto, how to calculate your risk per trade because you are trading in dollars, right? So you need to be a bit careful about that. What is the brokerage, how brokerage is calculated, how to calculate your risk reward for the trade, how to place stop loss and target. All of these basics I have covered in a 30 minutes free video on our YouTube channel. Please go and check that out if you are interested. Traders, I hope you have got clarity. Crypto trading according to me is legal in India. That's why even I'm trading every day, I'm coming live. Whichever broker you're choosing, please ensure they are FIO registered. Only then they are bound to follow the government guidelines. I'm using Delta Exchange. If you wish to open account with Delta Exchange India, link is there in the description box below. You can check it out. Now, when you open account with Delta Exchange using our referral link, you get 3 benefits. First, you get access to my crypto strategy for absolutely free of cost. Second, in this community group regularly we will be sharing updates related to only crypto market, so you get access to this also for absolutely free of cost. Along with that, you also get 10% discount on the brokerage that you pay when the account is opened using our referral link. So these 3 benefits you will be getting, and future webinars whatever I do related to crypto trading, you will get access to that for free of cost when you use the below link to open the account. So I think the first question is answered. Crypto trading is legal. Now let's discuss about the 7 important difference between crypto future and option trading. We will compare that with Nifty Bank Nifty future and options trading. This section is very important, so please watch this without skipping. Now traders, the first main difference between Indian market and crypto market is trading hours. Now we all know our market is open only for 6 hours. That too Monday to Friday. Saturday and Sunday our market is closed. If there is any public holiday, that time also our market is closed. But crypto market is not like that. It is open 24/7, even on Saturday and Sunday, even on public holiday days. Now I'm recording this video on Saturday. Now you can see BTC, if I want to place an order, I can just choose the quantity, execute the order. So there is no time restriction when it comes to crypto trading. As per your convenience, you can do it. I'm sure many of you will be a working professional. You get time to trade only after your shift hours, maybe after 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. That time our market is closed. You cannot trade in that time. If you are interested, or even if you want to practice, look at the live market, you can do that in crypto. In our market, it's not possible. Next important difference is typical IV. IV means implied volatility. Now to trade in the market, volatility is very important. The more market is volatile, it bounces up and down, we will get more opportunities to plan our trade. That is very important. Typically, Nifty, they say it's kind of less volatile because it includes stocks from different sector. But Bank Nifty is approximately 15% more volatile than Nifty because it only includes banking sector stocks. But if you see BTC Ethereum, it is at least 50% more volatile than Bank Nifty. That means you will get more opportunities to trade in crypto market compared to Indian market. Now let me just give you an example. This is Bank Nifty chart. Some days you can see Bank Nifty just stays within a range of 400 points. Other days it is from day starting to ending around 600 points. Even on this budget day, Bank Nifty gave a movement of close to 700 points throughout the day. But most of the time you can see Bank Nifty's range is around 300-400 points. Now some of you might say, sir, here I identified a breakout, I placed my stop loss, I entered the market. So by the time market reaches this area, I would have made profit. So what is the problem? Problem here is the volatility. If you're trading in futures market, you can wait for long because there is no time decay. You can wait for the moment. But because of the recent rules, the lot size, margin requirement, everything has increased. So people usually prefer to trade in options. So if market is holding on within a range, let's say on these days or these days after you enter a trade, even though market is not hit your stop loss, if it is just holding on in a range like this, still you will keep losing your money. Now you see this BTC chart, US market is closed or during the weekend only, you can see BTC makes a movement of close to 1200 points. When market and all is open, it makes close to 4000 points, or here you can see a movement of 2800 points. From this only you need to understand crypto market is more volatile. More volatile means more opportunity. I'm not saying this to tempt you, just explaining how volatile crypto market is. This, if you convert it to your advantage, definitely good moments, opportunities to capture you have in crypto market compared to Indian market. So this is the second difference. Traders, the third difference is the minimal capital requirement. Trade with one lot. For example, in Nifty's case, if you want to just trade with one lot of Nifty, total 75 quantity, you need approximately 2 lakh rupees. You just go to the Zerodha calculator, you can see that for the current expiry 75 quantity, the marginal requirement is close to 2 lakh rupees. Now if you want to trade in Bank Nifty current expiry also, the capital requirement is around 2 lakh rupees. Now many retail traders do not have 2 lakh rupees, that is why they trade in options. Now some of you might say, I'll trade in options, Nifty weekly options I can take. But the problem in option trading is, first market has to go as per your direction. Apart from that, it should also go quickly. Let's say market is sideways. Later if it goes as per your direction, in this case also, there is a high chance that you will be ending up in loss. So in futures trading, only focus will be your stop loss and target. In option trading, you have that disadvantage of time decay. So definitely trading in the future market is better than trading in options. But many people do not have the minimum capital requirement or the marginal requirement to trade in Nifty Bank Nifty futures market. That's why they go to options. But same thing you see in crypto trading. One BTC is equal to 1000 units. Here it is saying insufficient balance. So what I can do? I can trade with 100 units, or I can trade with 10 units, or even one quantity. To trade with one quantity, to execute this future market trading order, I just need $5. That's close to 400-450 rupees. So the capital requirement in crypto trading is comparatively less because here you can get leverage to trade. So the entry barrier to trade in crypto market is very less compared to Nifty and Bank Nifty, right? Since you can choose the lot size, even with 100 rupees, 150 rupees, you can trade in crypto market, but that's not possible in our Indian market. So this is one of the most important advantage that you have when you trade in crypto market. Now traders, the next difference is option expiry. Now we all know before every day we used to have expiry in our market. One day Sensex expiry, one day Bank Nifty, one day Fin Nifty, one day small cap index. So every day used to be expiry. But now everything has changed. Only one weekly expiry per exchange. In our case, it is Nifty. Rest everything has become monthly expiry. So other index has to a certain extent become dull. But in crypto, every day you will have expiry, daily, weekly, and monthly. I'm speaking about BTC and Ethereum. If you just go to Delta Exchange, here you go to the options section, you can see every day there is an expiry. You will get to know when is the time for the expiry also. But at the initial stage, I would personally suggest beginners to not trade in options because there might be a lot of confusion for you. Which strike price to choose, at the money, in the money, out of the money. When you're able to trade in future market, sometime back I told you, right, to enter a trade in the futures market, here only you can enter how much of a quantity you need. Rather than this, why create more pressure by trading in options? For option buyers, if you get stuck in sideways market, that's a problem. Definitely for option selling, capital requirement is comparatively less in crypto market compared to Indian market. When you try to do option selling, of course, loss is unlimited. How will you be able to manage? Things will be very difficult at the initial stage. That is why I would suggest everyone to focus on the futures market for at least 3 months. Later, we will discuss about option trading strategy, option trading setups. At this point of time, focusing in futures market is better, but still, this is the difference between option expiry. When it comes to crypto market, we have everyday expiry, but in Indian market, lot of things have been changed. Now, the next thing is futures expiry. In Indian market, we all know, right? We have monthly, that is current month, next month, and far month. Total 3 expiries. But when it comes to crypto trading, it is a perpetual contract. Perpetual contract means this contracts doesn't have expiry. Now, for example, let's say you entered at this breakout, placing your stop loss here. Market is just holding on to this range. Since there is no expiry, you can hold on to this trade until the market hits your target. Let's say this is your target or this is the target. You can hold on to the trade, or if when market comes to your stop loss, you can exit. In our Indian market, it is not like that, right? On the expiry day, future expiry or option expiry day, the contract has to get closed. But in crypto, since it is perpetual contract, you can hold on to the trade as long as you wish to. Let it be 1 week, 1 month. There's no restriction. But I personally, for beginners, I would suggest to close the trade within the same day itself, because crypto market, like I said already, there's more implied volatility. Market can make big movements. Let's say overnight when you're asleep, Trump says something about crypto. It might be positive or negative. It can be your advantage also or disadvantage also. I would suggest not to lose overnight sleep. Close your positions within the same day so that there is no pressure for you. So the fifth difference is future contract. In Nifty, Bank Nifty, or whatever contracts you take, it is mandatory that you close your position on a monthly basis. But in crypto, when you trade in the futures market, you can hold the contract as much as you wish to. Now, the next difference is the leverage. In our Indian market, approximately you get 7x leverage. Previously, many people used to trade in our market. They used to give very good leverage. So the entry barrier was not that much. People, even with 5,000, 10,000, they could have entered the market, take advantage of the leverage and trade. But now a lot of restriction in our Indian market, so many people are not able to enter. But in crypto market, you might get up to 200x leverage. So the capital requirement will be very less compared to our Indian market. For example, let's say you want to trade in futures. If you trade in BTC, approximately 200x leverage you can get. Ethereum around 200x. Solana around 100x. So let's say I go here. If I want to trade with 1 BTC right now, I have approximately 1.5 lakh rupees in this account. I cannot trade. The amount of leverage what I've taken here is 50. I can increase my leverage up to 200x. And if I set this, before taking this leverage, I was not able to place this order. But since I've taken 200x leverage, now even 2000 lots or quantity, if I want to execute, I can still do that because the amount of leverage what they give is more. But in my basic video, crypto basic video, I have clearly explained at the initial stage, 25x or 50x will be the maximum leverage which a beginner can take. The more leverage you take, it can turn out to be a good thing for you as well as a bad thing. Because let's say if market goes by your direction, definitely with 20,000 rupees, you have a chance of making even 1 lakh, 2 lakh rupees. But if the market goes opposite to your direction, the entire capital you can lose. So all of this in detail I have explained in the basic course which I have uploaded in our YouTube channel. This course I was talking about, right? So all the basics has been covered in this. So please go and check it out so that you get more clarity about this. The link for this video I'll try to share in the description box below. The last and final difference is taxation of profits. Now we all know when you trade in futures and options in Indian market, it is treated as business income. Depending on your tax bracket, let's say as per the government you're going above 30% tax bracket, whatever tax you have to pay on the profits, That is what you will be paying. Now coming to crypto market, many people have misunderstanding that you have to be paying 30% tax no matter what. But that is not like this. The amount of tax that you are going to pay crypto future and option market for the profits will be same as our Indian market. Like I said earlier, you're trading in a contract. You're not buying BTC. Only when you buy BTC or Bitcoin, whatever it is, there is 1% or TDS, and then around approximately 30% tax on profit you have to pay. But since you're trading in the contract, you're not owning the instrument. That is why there is no requirement for you to pay 30% tax. This is a very big misconception that many people have. I hope you have got the clarity. So, traders, as per my understanding, these are the seven main differences between crypto market and Nifty and Bank Nifty futures market. Now, looking at this, many people might say crypto market is seems to be more better because 24 bar 7 we can trade. But the problem here is many people, since the market is open for longer duration, they might go and do over trading. That might be a disadvantage. More trades you take, more brokerage you have to pay. In case you make loss in one or two trade, to recover that loss you might take more trades, so that will become revenge trading. So like this disadvantage you will have. Minimum capital requirement I'm saying is less. Even with 100 quantity you can trade. And I'm also saying that leverage that you get is comparatively high. Let's say you just wanted to trade with 10 quantity or 100 quantity. So if market goes opposite to your direction, let's say by 100 points, you will lose $10. But some people, what they will do, let's say the risk capacity was just 800 900 rupees per trade. Because they're getting more leverage, they might trade with 1 BTC and 2 BTC. Just for the same opposite direction movement, lose their entire capital. So that is why I recommend you to go and check that basic video. I have covered all the common mistakes that people do when they initially come to crypto market. Initially, it is common that people get overwhelmed. They take over trade, they take more leverage. But all of those things has to come under control. Now I personally, morning time I focus in Indian market, night time I focus on crypto market. Completely I don't want to jump to crypto market because both has its own advantage and disadvantage. I just see crypto market as an addition to the actual trades what we are doing. It is not a replacement to our Indian market. So that is my opinion. If you wish to join our crypto community group and get access to our strategy and regular updates that we share in crypto, and also join our webinar, you can do that for absolutely free of cost by opening account with Delta Exchange. Also, your brokerage will be 10% lesser. So you have all this advantage. If you're interested, you can open the account with the link available in the description box. Thank you everyone. I hope this video was useful for you. If you enjoyed this content, then share your support by liking the video, subscribing to the channel. If you think this content will be useful for your friends who's thinking about trading in crypto, please share it with them. Now that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.